Hi there and welcome to another BlogHandy tutorial on how to add a beautiful looking and an SEO optimized blog to your existing website. Today we're looking at Moosend and how to add a blog to your landing page in Moosend. My name is Uwe, I'm the founder of BlogHandy, and let's dive right into it. Alright, let's go to our Moosend account and let's go under Growth Tools to Landing Pages. I first have to create my first landing page. I click on Create New and I give it a name. My first landing page. And you can fill out this information as well. I skip it for now and click on Next. Now you have to design your landing page, and this is the step where we will add our BlogHandy widget. Start designing. Now you can either start from scratch or you can use any of the existing templates to get started faster. Let's start from scratch. Okay, choose a layout, full width, and here we can basically design our website. We can add things such as a logo, our social buttons, we can add a video, a form, buttons, and so on. Once you've designed your website, you want to click on HTML, and here you click on it in order to open this menu. And within the HTML content, we want to copy paste our BlogHandy code. For that, let's head over to BlogHandy and click on copy under the code snippet step 1. We paste it here, and then we go back to BlogHandy and we take the step 2 code, we copy it, and we paste it here. Alright, so that's it. You won't see the blog in the preview, so you have to now click on proceed. Alright, we confirm that, and now it's building the landing page for us. Perfect. So now we can also set up our social media sharing, our conversion tracking, and so on. But let's just skip those steps. Okay, so this will be our page. I copy that URL and I click on next, and let's click on publish. Perfect, our page has been published. Let's have a look how it looks. Alright, perfect. So these are the sharing buttons I added in Moosend. You would obviously add some more designs there. And this is our BlogHandy blog here, our categories, and here you can see our blog posts. One more step to do, you have to copy the URL in your URL bar, go to BlogHandy and go to settings and drop that in the blog URL section and just click on save all changes. Perfect. So since we're in the settings, we can also look at layout and design, and you can actually change your design very easily. You can, for example, change to the pop grid. It's one click here, and now whenever you refresh your landing page, you already have the new design. You can click on a blog post, it's loading, and that's it. Thanks a lot for listening. If you've got any questions about how to make BlogHandy work with Moosend, please reach out to us. We're always happy to help you and improve the design and the look and feel of your blog within your Moosend or any other landing page or website builder you're using. Bye bye and happy blogging.